Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to be making some smothered beef chuck. And yeah, so let's get right into it. So first I'm going to wash it up. I'm going to allow it to sit in this vinegar water for about 30 minutes. I had this recipe in my phone since about a month ago, and I had to put it out because, I have new content coming up this coming week. So to my pot, let's work on the gravy. You're going to add jalapeños and onions to 3 tablespoons of butter, and this is how we're going to build our sauce or gravy. I'm also going to add about 7 garlic cloves. It's probably more than that. It's those little garlic packets. Next, you're going to add the flour. Your flour to butter ratio should always be the same. So 3 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons butter. Add your chicken stock is what I use. If you have beef stock, use beef stock. Mix it up, bring it back up to a boil, and now we're going to season it. Now, the route I decided to take was more like, I don't know, I don't even want to call it Latin, but it was more on the Latin side. So I have cumin, smoked paprika, I have my bouillon packet, and remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, but this will all make sense as the dish goes along. Now we're going to season the beef with some adobo, which ties in with the flavors in the gravy, some cumin, and some smoked paprika. Mix it up just like this and allow it to marinate. You can or cannot. I kind of didn't. Mine's only marinated for 10 minutes, and I threw it right in my pressure cooker. So, it's just a pretty easy dish. It's just easy. If you're in a rush, it's easy. So you want to add it all to your pressure cooker just like I'm doing here. This sauce, gravy, whatever you want to call it, is so good. So good. Gonna add some bay leaves, mix it up, as you can see. And I'm gonna do high pressure for 1 hour. And that was pretty much it to make the meat nice and tender. After the pressure ended, I took the lid off and I put it on low pressure. So, because now we want to reduce the sauce, which is why it's on low pressure for 30 minutes. So to finish this off, once it reduces, I'm going to add lime juice and cilantro. Like, now you're seeing that it's all coming together. It's making sense. Cilantro and lime. It ties in with all the other flavors that we season the meat with, as well as what we put in the gravy. So you want to mix that up, and this is pretty much it. It's nice and thick. It's delicious. It's hearty. It's not super salted. It's not over salted. And it was just a good pot of stew, basically. So now I'm going to plate it up and let you guys see what it looks like. I served it up with some yellow rice, some beans, and some squash. But you can put this with whatever you want to. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, you guys.